The Qulat National Park is a tourist hotspot in Chile due to its majestic natural landscapes. A gateway to hell was discovered in China. With a burning temperature reaching up to 792 degrees Celsius and a completely invisible bottom. Have you ever heard about a secondary cloud? If it gets off, the trees caught fire by lightning strikes. 435 from command. The powerful electricity from the lightning made a lot of heat inside the tree, burning it up. Oh my God. This mysterious event happened in Kachpura village, India. Five water spouts appeared at the same time, as if draining the water in the Gulf of Mexico. The cause of sinkholes could be geological faults or underground human excavation activities. On the special day of a couple in Arizona, no one could have imagined that a dust storm would take center stage in their love story. In an instant, the Haboobs swept in, turning the romantic wedding day into a moment full of difficulties. Fortunately, tourists were not deceived by the visual illusion. These natural plunge pools in Colombia challenge our understanding. Visitors enjoy the thrill of sliding straight into the plunge pools. Gotcha. The doorbell camera captured the entire incident. Touching. The eruption near Huangyan Temple raged from 11 p.m. until 10 a.m. the next morning. The driver spotted a strong dust devil heading towards the residential area. Oh my gosh, what's that ghost? Waving. Can you see? He's waving to us. Sleigh. Wow, had seen this. Oh my god! Oh my god! What? Can you hear it? Amazing sight of 102. Additionally, some similar volcanoes can be found in the United States. After thorough analysis, the ESA determined that the object was not a meteorite, as initially predicted, but likely a small piece of a comet. Weighing a record 350 kilograms, this egg might just change the fate of those who find it. The one-of-a-kind sky waterfall you'll never see anywhere else. Wow! Looks like a portal where demons will arrive through. This portal in the Gulf of Mexico was a gas pipeline rupture. It's right there. The mesoclonic tornado, with wind speeds of 80 miles per hour, caused severe damage to Fort Lauderdale. Rescue teams promptly restored power and cleared debris in the affected area. Fortunately, no casualties were reported. In China, sandstorms are not uncommon. But a sandstorm at sea or sandstorm appearing on a highway that was crazy. I thought it was water just flooded the water. Snow in the desert? Hard to believe, right? But that's exactly what happened in Saudi Arabia. This flatworm looks like an alien. I have never in my life seen anything like this. Underwater during an earthquake isn't the best plan. Holy crap! Oh my god! Even from a distance, that tornado looks pretty ominous.